Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Advion Cockroach Gel is an indoxacarb-based gel bait. This active ingredient is attracted to many different species of roaches, and it's a slow-acting poison so the roaches will think it's safe to eat. Use this product to control common species of roaches like German roaches, smoky-brown roaches, and American roaches. Advion Cockroach Gel is a bait, so it will attract roaches to the area. Do not use this product if roaches are not already present in your home or structure, as you may bait them into the area. This product can control whole colonies of roaches, but it will take time since the roaches need to ingest and share the product and spread it through the colony. We recommend using different chemicals over time to prevent roaches from building resistance or avoid the bait in the future. If you're looking for another roach bait, check out Apex Roach Gel Bait. This product is extremely attractive to roaches and uses a different active ingredient, imidacloprid, to control roaches that consume it and spread the product through the colony. Before using Advion Roach Gel, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. The Roach Gel comes ready to use. There's no mixing required. Simply remove the stopper from the end of the tube, screw in the application tip, and insert the plunger and you're ready to apply. Before applying the Roach Gel, wipe the area with a clean rag to remove any dust or dirt and any other food sources for the roaches. Apply Advion indoors in areas where you've seen roach activity. Apply the product in small pea-sized drops every 1 to 2 feet. Be sure to place the product in areas that are out of reach of children and pets. Check your bait placements every 1 to 2 weeks and reapply in areas where the bait has been consumed. If the bait has become dried out, then clean up the application and try another area that may have more pest activity. Advion Roach Gel will be effective up until it dries out. This time can vary depending on the temperature and climate, but we typically recommend reapplying the bait every 2 to 4 weeks until the roach activity is stopped. Advion Roach Gel is not an instant kill. This is intentional, as the roaches have time to consume the bait and return to the colony. Roaches will eat the dead roaches and their feces, which carries the chemical and passes it on to more roaches, making the product more effective. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of just one product. Typically, you'll also need a liquid concentrate, an insect growth regulator, and dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right for more pest control guides.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.